Right, we're on 947. Can't see the battery on the GoPro. It looks fine now. I saw a green splotch. 947. It's 133 k's to Shakawe. So let's see how we do. The road, of course, is the big thing. I'm guessing 2 hours. 9:33, 11:33. All good, everything fixed. Let's go. There's a little. Everything fixed. I left my jacket open. Well, I'll open a bit just to get some cool air. You can just feel as I stopped there for a bit. Temperature climbing. There's a little sun visor built into the helmet. I've got another little trick, so I kind of pull it halfway down. Because sometimes if it's fully down, it feels like I just can't see, as sharply as I'd like to be able to see. Especially, in a road like this, you're not sure what's coming. Well, Lord bless us. If this is, no, I think this is just for the intersection. I was going to say, this is the road, then so clearly another bit of repair going on. Dunk dunk. Wow, that was a knock. So this is leaving Gumare for Tracks for Africa, people. Completely redone. How long? I'm praying this will last a long time. So I'll give you 10k updates as well, or when it gets dodgy.